Listen, if you go up on Instagram, you go up on Facebook, you go up on Twitter, you go up on TikTok, you go up on Snapchat, the only news story that you see people are talk about is Kevin Smith and whether or not him have a cult church in a Montego Bay. No. Because clearly, Jamaica is not a real place. But then I thought about it and I said, Berry, everybody is stressed out about things. They need to find a little way for just kind of lighten the mood. But I was just like, how the boxfoot am I going to try to lighten this story? And then it hit me. 7 interesting, weird flexes that have to do with this entire cult church in Montego Bay. So let's get right into it. Alright, so one of the first things is that the name of the church, the Boxfoot name of the church, the Gungo Peas name of the church. What a church name. The church name, like, give me a second. It is called Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministers in Paradise. No, let me just say that again. Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministers in Paradise. The name of the church sound like one book is supposed to be on CXC syllabus. Or one course up a UA where nobody not even want to register for. Not even the great Jody and Maxwell me think could have crossed this. Alright, so hold up for a second right here. So in the middle of recording, everything are going okay, then this happened. Ooh. No, I kid you not, this not usually reach me, but like I found it weird that it happened. I got sort it out, came back in my seat, and then bam, it happened again. But it's the way, oh my God, and my determination set up, I continue to on with the video.
If it's so...
Can be a long sayings.
We are going to pretend we didn't see that. Let's move on.
No, you see, when your church name go longer than Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, you know there's something wrong. Cause I like my church, they may just have the location with the denomination right back at it. Ravinia Town, Church of God. Mountain View, Apostle. No, the second weird thing about this story is the fact that the brother have like these kids just parading as his umbrella men, like they're literally living and encamping around him. No, because I understand why me as a parent could have my pitney them around this brother like say a farm work program them depend. Like me I say, if you did one like a help, I'm sure you could have find whole heap of little woman about the place who would have more than willing. No, I have to salute those young men who did it because me could not do it because at some point in time you're gonna like warm to your and them. Warm to your and them, warm to your wife. Warm to fear pit them, why them can't hold it. Why me have to hold it? And that is why people, you know, me tell you say I could have never be a slave back in the days them when our forefathers did a fight for it because the way all me just love ask question and can conquer us, me not think somebody make it out. I would make it out.
No.
When Jesus did say, suffer the little children to come unto me, he never mean for put them through adult suffrage. Alright, let me just try to find the little positive. The muscle gain might be good because for walk around with the umbrella like that the whole entire day. Like, I'm sure it must build some of your... Jesus people, where the muscle are right here, so no. Lord of mercy, why more say pectoral? Pectoral are right here, so. Biceps. This must be biceps and triceps. I know me get that right. Anyway, so the only way I was going to take this job willingly
of my own mind
is if me never get paid as much as like P. Diddy one time assistant, Fensworth, Bentley. But if I'm minimum wage here, I don't think me go want it. No, me not go there the house be Cinderella and you there live your best King Julian life.
Thank you. I, your king, have decided that in order to keep you all safe, we need a really great navy. I present to you our fleet.
Alright, so then the third point was about this whole Pathways church in Montego Bay. This idea that they had to be naked in a church service.
It's too much. Excuse me.
So one of the members them said that like upon when he went to the church, like he might have realized when they got greeted, they had to take off them clothes in front of the entire church and they had to look at them and talk to them bare naked. So picnic naked, man naked, woman naked, just did a walk around with sauce or genital, just a jiggly all about the place.
Oh my God! Wow!
You can imagine somebody invite me to church. Me got the people them church now and them say like, hey, are there any visitors there? Then me can stand up now, you know, regular little thing I wave to every little body now and then only for you to get invited to the front, to the altar. And you forgot strip naked. Next thing all one of them did when me choose for wear one of my bad boxers them. Cause you know sometimes when you don't really when you don't have no new clothes to wash, so you have like you're probably too dirty. Well, not really dirty, but another boxers them where you really would have wanted to reach out, you know. You get me? So you probably wear one of them boxers there with like a one hole in there, but you keep it because it probably last you for a long time. And then you forgot to take off your clothes and then the boxers they right there, so or probably one of them day where they probably the AC turn up and it cold, so they can take it out now and then you look wiggly just dead in front of the whole church service. No sir,
I feel away.
Yeah, I know Jesus said come just as you are, but he never mean that. Alright, so then the fourth thing now is that you had to pay 100,000 Jamaican dollars to get into the ark. You see, right there and then, I think I forgot to take away my subscription to this church because clearly it's a Netflix series because this cannot be real life. Which pastor could have come and tell me, no, so me, I forgot to pay $100,000 for get into the ark. The ark which him call the church.
I hate to say it, I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is.
Listen, the way all me broke and me must go take my...
With your broke ass.
I know what make it worse is the fact that Mojo Jojo had the audacity to go and tell these people to go and take out loans.
Red flag.
Because you see, if me, I forgot put $100,000 towards this ark mission, I forgot have shares in the ark. Me, I forgot have shares in that church if I even for 2%.
That me say.
No, number 5, the fact that there was no food in the ark.
Let's go.
Food me here, so the people them after them spend them $100,000 now, then you want to have me in there with little mackerel and 2 pieces of dumpling, 2 pieces of dumpling with my wanga got self.
Don't have no money. Hungry your best friend. Mackerel and rice is your cousin.
But you see the way how me crave me know me that in the ark and me that carry my little snacks them because you know when you got people space, sometimes you don't really know what kind of food because some people will share like all 1 piece of meat when you know so when I did that time I 3 pieces of chicken you eat. So me know me would carry my little biscuits and my little snacks and my little drinks them in a one little bag and kind of have that. So in the middle of that when everybody in the ark kind of dead for hungry and white squall congregate everybody draw corner and me that in the middle of the night I put out my little box of Pringles and my little, you know, my little bun and cheese and munch pan and everybody want beg me. Now number 6 now the brother is now putting up beseeching the public for contribution for his GoFundMe because he want to have most of 30,000 US so that he can cover for legal fees and all kind of things.
Father God, what is he?
Right there, so insult me. You basically tell me some my common sense a short circuit. But you know what is impressive? Him still have people who are gonna stick beside him, you know, who still going to rock with him and are still going to give him money to go and support this GoFundMe.
Pray for him so they may do Jesus and he may come out victorious. So we have to suffer with him and reign with him. Now so I go.
Listen, I am shocked. In all my years, I never think that we would have woke up anyone in this world, in this universe, who would have been more loyal to a man more than Gaza Slim was for Vibes Cartel.
Dedicated to the man of my love.
Clearly, we never know about the Pathway International Congregation. And then finally, this is the biggest thing when me think say would have to be a no to me. I could not be a part of this entire church for this big reason. You are tell the people them no. The people them said they cannot bring their phones in.
That is funny.
Yeah, this couldn't work with me because you know why? If you are tell me so we're gonna go up on an ark and big flooding are gonna go on. You want me for go through the whole of that and I have 2 little pictures for go put on my Instagram and my little story and TikTok in there with the 2 pieces of cow and goat in there go so. You're not gonna tell me so me can't post one video on TikTok with me and the choir I sing.
We shall have a grand time up in heaven.
I can't imagine all of that when you put in one little medley and be like,
With Christ in the vessel, we can smile at the storm. We can smile at the storm. We can smile at the storm. Sailing.
while the art just go so, yeah man, I now miss that more one little one video man, because I know that it will go viral. If it not go viral on earth, it must go viral in heaven. But once again, me tell people say sometimes me just like say me always have the spirit of point of information from my head, because it's like I always have to question things and just try to understand like why these strange things are happening around me. So me know say in the middle of the church service, you know, everybody that they do them all white and all kind of things are going when out of the blue, this is me. So I ask that you guys abided by the instructions to not carry your phones, that all of your phones are home wrapped in file paper, because that is from the plan of the enemy. Hello? Yeah, I'm kinda in a church now. Like, yeah, one like a all white party I keep. I don't know where I'm going in, but look like it a festive. Alright. Give me a second. Come back in 5 minutes. Jesus on the telephone, tell him what you need. Tell him what you need right now. But anyway, Burritos, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what was something that was interesting and a definite no in this entire case, something that puzzled you, something that made you think. Sound off in the comments below. But yeah, that's it.